All right, let's go ahead with exercise 6-17. Again, we're in Unit 7 of Accounting 300. 6-17, your client, Keith Moreland, is trying to lease a machine to somebody, right? Souvenirs Corporation, but we're dealing with Moreland. Moreland is leasing a machine for 25 years. Moreland paid or invested $365,755 in the machine. So for the next 25 years, Moreland's going to have this lease with this other company. They need to know how much they're going to charge this other company, and what they're trying to do is get 11% return. I mean, they forked out the $365,755 on the machine. They want to get a decent return. So they want 11%. So what do they charge them? So that's all they're trying to figure out, is what amount would they charge every year for 25 years for them to get 11% on their $365,755 investment. All right, so the present value of an ordinary annuity, right? That's the present value of an ordinary annuity is equal to payments times the present value of the ordinary annuity factor, right? We know that n is equal to 25, and the interest rate we want is 11%. So if we know the present value of the ordinary annuity. It's currently the amount we paid for the machine, $365,755, right? And we don't know the payment amount, but we do know the factor. So if we go to table 6-4, okay, and we want to find what the factor is. So we're in table 6-4. We need to go down to 25 periods, and we need to go over to 11%. So we need to go to the next page. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and we need to get to 11%. So if I come over to 11%, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 11% gives me the 842,174. So I know the factor. The factor is 8.42174. So I need to divide both sides by 8.42174 to isolate the payment, which is the variable. So the payment is equal to 365,755 divided by 8.42174 equals 43,430. So we need to charge that Moreland needs to charge that much in order to get their 11% return. Alright, so we're going to do another problem, exercise 20. And this is a really easy problem, and we'll see in the IFRS questions how this would come into being useful. But for now, this is how we work this problem. All you do is you take this number times this number, and you get, 4,800 times 20%, 6,300 times 50, 7,500 times 30%, and then you add those three up. And you do that for each of these. That's all you do. So 4,800 times 20% is 960, 6,300 times 50% is 3,150, 7,500 times 30% is 2,250. So the expected cash flows, the value with the probability of these cash flows is $6,360. And you would do the same thing for B and C. So this is really, exercise 6-20 is really easy. We'll look at the IFRS questions next, and they'll have a problem in there where they utilize this in part of a word problem, and it kind of makes more sense why they do it.